When were you last hugged? Hugging builds trust and a sense of safety and helps in healing some negative feelings, such as loneliness, isolation, and anger. Now meet the famous grandma at Tafaria. She was brought to life by artist Wanjiku Nderitu in 2022 AD. The grandma installation was first done to capture the experience of Christmas the Kenyan way. To most, Christmas is ever a way of getting away to the countryside. Meet Grandma, whose hugs are irresistible. Alongside is her goat, ever preserved for the occasion, and her pot of goodies. As time went by, her hug became infectious, and thus here she permanently remains, as the hug is needed all the time